7.2 Recent reception. Rediscovering Brentano's effect in a bigger philosophical target market became quickly eclipsed via way of means of that of his college students who based philosophical traditions on their personal. Husserl commenced the phenomenological movement, Manon the Graz School, Lewandowski the Levin of Warsaw School. As a result, with inside the 2D half of the 20th century, Brendan became frequently noted because the logician who had rebrought the belief of intentionally, as grandfather of the phenomenological movement, or for his impact on early analytic philosophy. However, his personal philosophical perspectives and arguments had been hardly ever mentioned. There are splendid exceptions to this tendency, though. Roderick Chisholm, for example, made a non-stop attempt to reveal Brandon's importance to modern philosophy via way and means of adopting his consequences in his personal contributions to the philosophy of thoughts. However, additionally in displays of diverse factors of Brendan's concept. Moreover, in latest a long time the lifestyle this is frequently cited as Austrian philosophy has one growing hobby in a broader philosophical target market, that is due in particular to the paintings of Rudolf Haller, Barry Smith, Peter Simons, and Kevin Mulligan, amongst others. By displaying the systematic relevance of Brendan's and different Austrian philosophers' contributions to issues mentioned in ontology, logic, the idea of emotions, or cognizance, they might counteract the tendency to lessen Brendan's contributions to the advent of the belief of intentionally. It is pretty thrilling to note, however, that with inside the remaining a long time the philosophical contributions of Brendan have won a brand new existence as more and more philosophers from one-of-a-kind fields are rediscovering and elaborating on one-of-a-kind topics from Brendan's paintings. His contributions to the philosophy of thoughts were taken up and play an imperative function with inside the debate regarding the character of cognizance and the relation amongst cognizance and intentionally, the harmony of cognizance and time cognizance. His perspectives on ethics were stimulated, becoming mindset theories of price, which examine moral price and phrases of accurate or wrong varieties of approval. Or moreover, the latest centenary of Brendan's death, 2017, has given event to some of the meetings and guides that position Brendan's contribution to the middle of interest. This indicates that the hobby and Brendan's systematic contribution to philosophy continues to be sturdy and vivid.